Hello everyone, today I shall discuss exercise 2.4 question number 1. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Let us check. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Let the number let the number let the number be x. According to the question, according to the question, according to the question, according to the question, x minus 5 by 2, x minus 5 by 2, x minus 5 by 2, it is multiplied by 8. The result obtained is 3 times the same number, that is equal to 3x, right? Now you get here, you see, that is 8x minus 8 into 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is equal to 3x, is equal to 3x, or can be written as 8x minus 2 2 4 8, 4 5 20 is equal to 3x. We are getting 8x minus 3x is equal to 20. That is on transposing both transposing 3x to left hand side and 20 minus 20 to right hand side, we get 8x minus 3x, that is 5x. 5x is equal to 20. Dividing both sides by 5, dividing both sides by 5, we get 5x by 5, that is equal to x, and 20 by 5, that is equal to 4. Or you can write x is equal to 4, or x is equal to 4, right? The book say, hence the number is 4. Hence the number is 4. Hence the number is 4, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.